大家好，我是 Nick. Pity the cats play ball. Here comes Pity the cat. Pity has a meeting. He has a bat and a ball. What will Pity do today? Pity will play basketball. Today is the big game. The Rocks are playing the Rolls. Pity and his team get set. They play catch. They take turns hitting. It's time to play ball. The Rocket bat first. Pity waits for his turn. Crack! The batter hits the ball. He runs to first base. Way to go, Pity cheer. Batter up, say the umpire. 对吧？umpire 是不是？裁判啊。umpire. Pity goes up to the bat. The pitcher throws the ball. Pity swings the bat. He misses the ball. Strike one. The pitcher patches again. Pity swings too high. Strike two. The pitcher wins up. He throws. Pity strikes out. But Pity is not sad. He did his best. Best friend Ben is up. Ben hit a home run. Way to go, cheers Pity. Rose got up to the bat. The Rocks go to the field. Crack! Here comes a fly ball. I've got it, calls Pity. The ball hits his mitt, but Pity dropped it. He is not sad. He did his best. Another hit. This time Pity catch it, but he throws it too far. Pity is up at bat again. He wants to hit the ball. The first pitch too slow. Pity does not swing. Ball one. The next pitch is too high. Pity does not swing. Ball two. The third pitch is inside. The fourth pitch is outside. Pity gets 4 balls. Pity wanted to get a hit, but a walk is cool too. The next batter gets it. Pity runs as fast as he can. Pity wants to score, but he is out at home plate. Pity is not sad. He did his best. The game is over. The Rocks win 6-3. Way to go, calls Pity. Good game, the Rockets said. Good game, the Rose said. Pity did his best. He had fun. What a great game! Show a tell. Class 1 was going to have a show and tell week. All the children had to bring in something to show the class. Everyone was very excited, except Paul. He couldn't think of a thing to bring. On Monday, Neil brought in his new toy car. It reminded Paul of something, but he still couldn't think of a thing to bring. On Tuesday, Lara brought in one of her favorite toys. It reminded Paul of something, but he still couldn't think of a thing to bring. On Wednesday, Aaron brought in a present that his granny had given. It reminded Paul of something, but he still couldn't think of a thing to bring. On Thursday, On Thursday, Sharon brought in her best doll. He talked about it for age and age and age. Suddenly, Paul thought of something that he could bring. On Friday, Paul brought in his new baby sister. His mom and dad come in. Everyone wanted to hold the baby. Paul was very proud. Miss Murray took a photograph. The next week, Class 1 was going to have a family week. Everyone had to bring in a photo of their family. Everyone let it's packed. But Paul, his photo was already there, up on the wall. Bye bye.